What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So for today's video, we have a special fintech review. We're going to be going over an instant line of credit for gig workers. That's right. So you can apply now for an instant decision for a line of credit exclusively for contractors, gig, and part-time workers. There's no credit check involved. All you need is a U.S. bank account in good standings. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Glance Capital. So just to give you an overview of Glance Capital, this is a brand new fintech organization founded on October 19, 2020. Glance Capital provides workers in the US and Canada who are classified as part-time or variable employees access to personal loans. They offer a single loan product that consists of a 10-year open line of credit up to $5,000. Glance's mission is to disrupt the predatory payday industry by offering an open 10-year line of credit as opposed to a single short-term payday advance. Now, one of the great things about this is that there's absolutely no hard credit check involved. So they're going to be using your banking activity. Now, who is this for? Again, this is going to be for 1099 contractors, gig workers, and part-time workers. So you can get a line of credit up to 100% of your monthly income based only on previous earnings history. So you can get up to 100% of your monthly income, but it caps at $5,000. As it says right here, there's no credit check. So they're not even doing a soft pull. It's just looking at your banking activity. They offer interest only payments. So your monthly payments are only based on what you have withdrawn. Your line of credit is always available to you. Now, this is a true line of credit. So unlike a payday loan or advance, Glance offers the customers a revolving line of credit that does not have a term. You can use it as you need it, only pay interest on the money you draw, and you can choose weekly or monthly payments, and you can always borrow more as your principal is paid down. It's transparent, so you'll know what you're getting with a Glance line of credit. There's no hidden fees or surprises. It is revolving, so a revolving line of credit allows you to borrow up to your limit and borrow more as you repay it without reapplying, so it goes back and forth. The underwriting process is unique. It looks at the big picture of your earnings and allows them to approve you without a credit check. With a Glance line of credit, you only pay what you can afford based on your monthly earnings. So how does this work? So it's going to be very similar to a lot of fintechs that we've reviewed. So the first step is that you're going to apply for the line of credit. The next step is to connect your bank account. So they're going to be using Plaid. A lot of you are familiar with Plaid. So by connecting through Plaid, they're able to see your banking activity. Once you've connected your bank, then Glance will perform and evaluate your application within 30 seconds so you can get an instant decision. After evaluation, the line of credit terms are offered to you for your acceptance. Once you accept, then funds are sent to your bank account within 24 hours after accepting. Now, one thing I really do like about the Glance line of credit is that it supports a lot of different platforms. So it's not just going to be for like the gig, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Lyft, Uber. There's a host of different platforms that it integrates in. As you can see right here, YouTube creators, Twitch, Spotify, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelance, Airbnb, Instacart, Google AdSense. So there's a host of different platforms that this plugs in. And this is going to be a lot of people who are involved in the gig economy, or if you're any type of 1099 contractor, they have a variety of different platforms that it integrates in. This has a much broader integration into some of these other platforms. So like an Airbnb, you can get a line of credit if you have an Airbnb. Glance was founded by a group of fintech entrepreneurs. They saw a large group of people who were marginalized by banks and their rigid lending criteria. So Glance Capital is focused on building a solution that looks beyond people's credit score and to evaluate risks based on their unique and individual characteristics. As a result, they can offer loans with much better terms and rates that will help the customers improve their lives. There are 4 basic requirements that you must meet. You must be a citizen or a permanent resident of the US or Canada, be at least 18 years old, have an active and open bank account, and have steady income source deposited into that bank account. So the above requirements do not guarantee approval. A representative from Glance may contact you to verify information. Now, how are they able to approve you without a credit check? So according to Glance, they don't believe that your credit score is an accurate reflection of who you are. And I certainly agree with this. They're going to be looking beyond your credit score, more looking into your income. There's 5 steps included in the application, and they're automated to try to qualify you for a glance line of credit based solely on your banking history. Your credit score will not be checked nor affected. So how the application works, you're going to create your account on Glance with your email and phone number. You're then going to verify your phone number and email. Next, you're going to submit your valid government issued ID using your mobile phone. You're going to connect your bank account to your Glance account. Finally, you're going to get a line of credit decision instantly and get funded. The first step is for you to create your profile. So you're going to enter in your full name, your email address, as well as your phone number, and then hit next. So on the next step, you'll receive a code to your cell phone that you provided, and all you're going to do is enter in that code right down here. Now on the next step, you're going to connect to your bank account. So again, they work with Plaid, which is a Visa company, to verify your identity, address, and bank history. This is a single sign-on process and does not affect your credit score or make any changes to your bank. Once you connect your bank successfully, you will get a line of credit offer, amount, terms, and you will need to verify your information, accept the terms so they can fund your bank account. Click this button. Now, as you've probably seen this before, you just select agree, and then you're going to choose from the available banks. If your bank is not selected, you could just search for it up here. So after successfully connecting your bank account, you just verify that the information is correct, including the institution, the account name, account type, as well as the account number. Once you confirm that, you just hit this. So if there's anyone out there who's interested in applying for the Glance line of credit, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. That's all we wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.